So we have reached the trout farms. And we are able to see all the trout out there. And you can enjoy some good trout sitting here. So please do come and please do have some trout live from this farm. So these are rainbow trouts that we are seeing, and they are graded as per the size. They can be shipped all over India. So for details, please connect with Bonford Tours. So certain facts about the trout. First of all, you need flowing water, and moreover it has to be the glacier water so that the fishes can survive. They only survive in the climate when you have flowing water. So if you see, there's a constant supply of flowing water coming through these areas, right? And so the oxygen in the water is maintained, plus the natural water which they want, the feel of it is there, due to which they are able to survive in an environment where they are able to produce them in bulk and cater to the palates of the people all over the globe.